An Isle of Wight County couple is in custody in connection to a case regarding the abuse and neglect of a toddler.
That's right. 23-year-old Ifrika Richardson and 24-year-old Jias Wilson-Booker were arrested Thursday on several charges. Brianna Fallon joins us in the studio with more. Brianna.
Captain Tommy Potter with the Isle of Wight Sheriff's Office says a concerned relative who was watching the 19-month-old took the child to seek medical care for his injuries, eventually leading to the investigation on the alleged abuse.
Our children are the most vulnerable section of our population.
Isle of Wight County authorities say a man and a woman are in custody on charges related to a child abuse and neglect investigation.
These injuries were a culmination of probably weeks, if not months, of child abuse in the home.
Captain Potter with the Isle of Wight County Sheriff's Office said the investigation determined the injuries happened while the child was in the care of that child's mother, 23-year-old Ifrika Richardson, and her live-in boyfriend, 24-year-old Jias Wilson-Booker. Thursday, both were arrested and now face several child abuse and neglect-related charges.
While other people may have failed, we will not fail this child.
According to the Isle of Wight County Sheriff's Office, a 19-month-old child was admitted to the Children's Hospital of the King's Daughters in Norfolk due to multiple injuries. During that visit, authorities say medical professionals reported the nature of the injuries were consistent with prolonged physical abuse and neglect, which is what opened up the investigation.
There's no questions about the amount of overtime, the amount of resources that we need to put with this case. We're going to do, again, what we have to do to protect this child.
Right now, Captain Potter says the toddler is currently in custody of social services. He says his department is going to rely on CHKD for updates on how the 19-month-old is progressing mentally and physically. Captain Potter says with his 17 years at the sheriff's office, he had rarely seen child abuse cases to this degree, but says it only takes one case to make it a significant impact in his department. Brianna Fallon, 13 News Now.
All right, thanks so much, Brianna. And Richardson and Wilson-Booker are both being held at the Western Tidewater Regional Jail without bond. Authorities expect their arraignment will be scheduled for early next week.